Hello everyone, welcome to your Salesforce guide. So today we will learn how to create fields in Salesforce. So in the previous video we already learned how to create objects. So we created position object and today we will create fields on position object. So friends, there are two types of fields, that is standard and Salesforce. So the fields that are already available and provided by Salesforce, those are standard, and the fields that we create ourselves, those are custom fields. So we'll create few custom fields in order to create our recruiting app. So at first we will take title. So we will take job title. So for this you can take text. So there are different data types: auto number, formula, lookup relationship, master detail relationship, external lookup, checkbox, currency, date, time, email, geolocation. So different type of data types are here that we can use in Salesforce. So we will select text as job title should be text type. So this you have to write level name, and that is job title. Length you can give it up to 50. This field stores job title value. So if you want to make it required, then it will be mandatory field, otherwise it's your choice. So I am making it mandatory as job title is mandatory one. So from here you have to select for whom you would like to show this. So you can make it visible for all. And layout you have to select it, for which layout you would like to give this field. So I am selecting for position layout, save and new. Now the next that we have to select is job description. So we have text area field, long text area you have to select, as it's a description, so it must be long. So I would like to select here description. Field name description. Click on next. I would like to make it visible for all. Click on next. For position layout, save and new. Now you have to create maximum salary and minimum salary field. So minimum salary field. So first we have to decide which type of data it should be. So it is currency type, so I am selecting currency. Now click on next. Maximum salary. So you can click on next. visible to all. Click on next. Save and new. So now another field, and that will be minimum pay. So where's our currency type? Here it is. Minimum salary. Click on next. Save and new. So what more fields can be here? You can select open date, close date and status so that it will be easy to know that what's the status of this job position. So we have to select open date. So our data type must be date type. Click on next. Open. Click next. Save and new. So again we have to select another data type, that is date or close date. So close date is click on next. Visible to all. Now you have to select one more field, that is status. So status can be multiple. So you have to select it from a field that is quick list. So it will contain various options and you have to select from that. So you have to enter your values. You can write it here that whether this job is new, open, closed, click on next. Now save. So we are done, friends, and in the next video we'll learn more about recruiting app, how to do further things. So stay connected and keep in touch. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.